Caitlin Harwood back on the show from Wasatch Medical in this sponsored interview, and we're talking about a breakthrough treatment for ED. Tell us what it is.
Yeah, so here at Wasatch Medical Clinic, we have a breakthrough treatment called acoustic wave therapy, which treats the root cause of ED. So no pills, no injections, no downtime with this.
How big is the problem, would you say? I mean, this is something that we talk about a lot, and I'm sure you have patients going, okay, now I'm ready to get treatment. How many men does this affect?
Yeah, so this is something that's very taboo, but we need to have that open discussion about it. Over 50% of men in the 50s are dealing with this, and the number for men in their 40s is on the rise. And in our clinics, we see as young as 18 all the way to 100. So this is something that is very prevalent. A lot of men deal with this.
And Caitlin, in the past, what was the treatment if this is something you were suffering with?
Yeah, so there's the pills or the injections. We don't like to talk about the injections. And then the pills, they come with the side effects and the spontaneity issues. So it's just not what the acoustic wave therapy has to offer.
All right, so explain acoustic wave therapy if our viewers don't know what that is.
Yeah, so what it is, it's a small device that's placed on the skin, and it produces gentle pressure waves down to those blood vessels, opening them back up, allowing for greater blood flow when and where a guy needs it the most. So like I said, we're reopening those blood vessels.
Does this hurt?
No, absolutely no pain with this. This is literally a 15-minute treatment. You come in on your downtime and you just have the 15-minute treatment and can go back to work, could go back to the gym, no downtime, no pain.
How many times, how many treatments does the typical patient need?
Yeah, so every man is different. You come in, talk to a doctor, have the blood flow ultrasound that sees if you're a candidate, and you'll set up a treatment plan of how many treatments you need in a 2 to 3 week period of time.
Does it work? And how do men know that it works?
Yeah, so we see 80% of the results in that it is helping men with this issue. So we are very excited about that, very proud of it. And all of the studies that we have as well, there's over 60 clinical studies that show both the efficacy and lack of side effects with acoustic wave therapy.
And all those studies are on the website, everyone, so you can go read those and take a peek. Let's talk about intimacy for just a second.
Yeah.
Why is this so important if you are struggling with it to work on?
Well, because we know that intimacy is a super glue to relationships. So when it is lacking in the relationship, we see a spillover effect into so many different areas of your life, whether that's work, social interactions, whatever it may be. But it really affects relationships, communication, and the overall benefit of people.
Well, it's a medical issue.
Yeah.
And so often I think the partner feels like it's their fault, or it becomes this, is it me? Is it an emotional issue, when that's not the case?
Yeah, no, not at all. So it's not your fault, and it's not his fault either. This is, like you said, a medical condition that you can just come in, get help, and be on your way to recovery.
How do you know if it's right for you?
Yeah, so if you see things slipping in the bedroom, if you see communication maybe lacking in your relationship, come in, get that blood flow ultrasound, and see if blood flow is the issue.
Well, it's time to talk about it.
Yeah.
It won't go away if you do nothing.
Right, absolutely not, because you have to remember these are shriveled up blood vessels that need to be reopened.
And last question, any age. You said men in their 40s, you're seeing a lot more, but 50s. Are you seeing men at every age?
We're seeing men at every age, like as young as 18 years old in our clinics.
All right. Yeah. I know you have something special for our viewers if they come in.
Yes. So guys, don't put this off any longer. And women, give us a call today too. Be that open space for your husband. Call us at 801-901-8000. We'll give you the free assessment, free exam, even the free blood flow ultrasound. We will also throw in a special gift for you and your significant other.
Our thanks to Wasatch Medical for this sponsored interview, and Caitlin for being back on the show.
Good
to see you.